Hey guys, in this video, we'll be talking about HashMaps. So there are a few things that we need to discuss about HashMap. Step number one, of course, how HashMap is basically implemented. Then why do we use HashMap and how to use HashMap in different problems. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to implement HashMap in JavaScript. Okay, and slowly, in the next few videos, I'll be taking few problems and explaining you how to use it and when to use it. So let's get started. So guys, let's start with implementation of HashMap. Step number one, how to create a HashMap? Quite simple. Let m is equals to new map, and your HashMap is basically created. As simple as that. So if you print it, console.log m, you will basically get empty because currently you have just created a HashMap, but there is nothing inside your HashMap, right? Okay. Now let's go to the next step. Okay, so now your HashMap is created. Great. So now let's have a look at the second thing. Add values to your HashMap. To your HashMap. Okay. So now how to add values? Like you'll be basically your HashMap, in case you don't know, HashMap basically accept key and value. So it will have a key and it will have a value, both the things. Okay. So something like this. Okay. Like see, if you talk about your array, so how does your array have? Your array has something like this. Like let's suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Like let's suppose these are the values present inside your array. I'll ask what are the keys. So these are the keys like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the index, right? And this is value, right? This is index, this is value, right? In your array. Yes. So now in HashMap also the same thing is allowed. You have key and you have value. But in this key, you can decide whatever key you have. In array, you cannot decide your key, right? On the first position, it will always be 0. On the second position, it will always be 1. On the third position, it will always be 2. But in like what is HashMap, basically values, of course, whatever you want. You always have the power. But here, key also you have the power. Whatever you want to write at the key, you can write it. That's the great thing, right? Awesome. So now let's continue. So add values to your map. So how to add a value? So we basically write m. What is the name of my map? Is m. So m. So basically what I'll do, I'll copy this so that whenever I need it, I'll use it. M dot add. Okay. Step number one, I'm adding some integer values. Okay. Yeah, so integer keys and integer values. Of course, you can very well add any data type. There is no restrictions. Integer key and let's suppose boolean values. Okay, I'll not put same key as of now. Basically, I'll tell you the reason why I'm not using same key. I'll come to that. M dot add. Let's suppose I add a string apple, and I added. Let's suppose what is it? 45. Whatever. It's totally your choice. Whatever value you need, basically. M dot add, and here I am like let's suppose I'm adding 10.2, and let's suppose true. So on. Whatever you want, you can add. All the data types are allowed in keys and the values. So if I print it, okay, so now you will basically see, okay, there is a problem. Oh, I'm very sorry. It's the word is set. Set. It's not add, it's set. Why do I use add? Because I guess I had set in mind. Okay, no problem. This is set. M dot set. Okay. So sometimes you call it add, no? You just write it. Okay. So set. So the values are added here. Okay, so you can see this is a key, this is a value, this is a key, this is a value, key value, key value. So how to access this? Like you have made this, but how you'll be able to access this? Okay, step number one. What if I have to access one by one? Okay, so you can use something like m dot get. Okay, and here you'll mention the keys. Let's suppose you want to see what is the value whose key is 10. Like you write a0 for array, a1, a2, right? Okay, here you'll write m dot get. Okay, means whatever is your name, means get the key. So 10, then you'll get the value for 10. Okay, that is 100. If you have 8, then like you'll get the value as 2, right? So depending, you can search a value. What if a key that you have written is not present, like 800? 800 is not present as a key anywhere, right? In this case, you'll get undefined. Okay, awesome. Now, guys, let's go to the next thing. So m.get. This is the, this you got it, right? So let's let it be there. And I'll remove it. There is no need of it now, as of now. Let's come to the second case. What if I put a key which is very same, that is already present? Like what if I write here m.set 10, comma, let's suppose apple. So what will happen now this time? Okay. Okay. So there are a few things I'll show you before this line. Okay. So I'll show you something. So console.log, like let's find the size of our map. How to find the size of our map? m.size, no brackets. Okay, just size. Means I mean say no parenthesis after size. If you see the size is currently 4, right? I wrote this line. Okay, the size is still 4. Why not 5? Basically, it's the same concept. Like let's suppose you have written array. Okay, you have array. In an array, you have few values. Like let's suppose 10, 20, and 30. So this is this is like ARR0 is 10. This is what it is there initially, right? So now if you write ARR0 as 100, what will happen? You are not basically adding a new value. You are basically updating a value, right? Because the key is same. That means this value will be updated. Same thing. The key is same. Basically, that means you are just updating this 100 with Apple. A new value is not getting added. Okay. So now if you print it, like if I print, and you will see the 100 got updated to Apple. I mean to say this 100 got updated to Apple. So this is Apple now, right? Got it? Perfect. Awesome. So you basically now also know how to find the size, right? Okay. So now we have seen how to access one element. What if I want to access all the elements? Can I use a loop with it or something? Okay. Because you will say, I may not know the keys every time, right? What if I also want to see what are the keys? In array, I basically know it. But here, I don't know, right? So of course, you can use an off loop for t of m. Okay, and just print it console.log t. So if you see this, okay, you will get all the keys and a value in array. Okay, all the keys and value will be in separate array. Okay, I'll just stop this. Okay. Only this is getting printed, so you will see 10. This is a key, this is a value, key value, key value, key value, right? You got it, right? Okay. So now guys, what if I just want the key? So you can say I just can do T0, right? I can get the keys. I'm like, very awesome. Because every key was at a 0 index, right? And every value was at 1 index. Okay, I basically like to use this way. But there are some other ways which you can use it, like in case if you want to remember a lot of methods and function. So let's suppose if I write keys, m.keys here, t of m.keys, and then if you print key, t, you'll just get the keys. And if you write values here, you'll just get the values. As simple as that. Awesome. Now this is okay. Now you came to say, okay, that's great. How can I use a normal loop? Of course, you cannot use a normal loop here. Okay. Okay. Now the next question. Okay, so what if I want to remove a certain key? Very good. Great question. Let's delete a key. Delete a key. So m.delete. Quite obvious function, right? And write the key name. Like let's suppose I want to delete Apple. Okay. Remember, the value one will not be deleted. The key one, it is the key. So this key will be deleted. Apple 45 one. Okay. So if you search it, like after this, let's print console.log. I thought I already pasted it, but I think it's gone. 10 is Apple, 8 is true, 10.2 is true. Where's the Apple 45? It's not there because you deleted it, right? Awesome. What if you want to clear out or delete it completely? How can you delete it? Very simple. m.clear. It will delete the entire thing. And it's deleted. Awesome. So this is about your like implementation of map, how we implement basically map in JavaScript. In case if you have any doubt in implementation, do let me know. In the next video, we'll basically try to figure out how to like use this map in case of strings, in case of arrays, and in what kind of different problem basically we use it. Okay, so that's all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
So guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video, right? And as you know, these kind of videos, we are able to bring such quality content because of Newton School. Newton School is like a platform which helps you guys to perform a great career. Okay, it will help you to build a great career in full stack development. Whether you are a working professional or a fresher, doesn't matter. Okay, they have different kind of batches for everyone. If you are a fresher, the best thing is you don't have to pay until you guys get placed with a package of 5 lakhs or more. If you are experienced, depending on your previous package, you guys, we can sit and decide your new packages, right? And then finally, once you get placed, and that's the time to rock. So they help you guys to build a great career, okay? So if you are interested in getting a great career in a tech background, do check out the link that is below this video. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. Wait guys, where are you going so fast? That's not good. Why? Because you have to do something small thing. And what are those? First, do like my video if you really enjoyed it. Okay, give it a thumbs up. That's will be quite motivating for me. Okay, subscribe to my channel and do turn on the bell notification. Like what will happen? So you can get the future notifications of all my videos. Like I upload videos almost daily. Okay, if you have any doubts or confusion, don't forget to put a comment. I'll try to answer your query as far as possible. And you guys know, sharing is power, right? Sharing is knowledge, as it has been rightly said. So if you want both power and knowledge, do share it with your friends. Okay, and before you go, you can also check out this course on Launchpad. Like on Launchpad, you'll get much more features like quiz and other things after every video. Okay? Okay guys, so now I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.